I want to show you an example of a demo center that does one thing really well that I'm starting to see pop up more on demo centers, and I actually think is a best practice. And it's this idea of having one call to action at the top of the page that drops your user, your visitor, into a single demo experience that brings multiple demo flows together, essentially creating this choose your own adventure style demo experience. So let me show you. All right, so this is Notion's Demo Center. They call it the Demo Hub, and Notion's among the top 1% of interactive demo builders on Navattic. So they do a lot well on this page, but one of the things that I really like is right here in the hero, they have a button that says Start Tour. If you scroll down through the page, you could see there are multiple demos. If you want to open one individually, you just click Start Tour. Right? That would open it up and into this specific demo. But if you're at the top of the page here and you click Start the Tour, it drops you into this choose your own adventure style demo experience. And it actually incorporates all 6 of those demos that would be listed down the page. Now, in a lot of demo centers, you go to them, there are multiple options or tiles that represent each individual demo, and you click on those, it opens the demo. But when you finish that demo, you gotta go back to the demo center and you find a new one. And so you're jumping back and forth between the Navattic demo experience and then your web page. And what I like about this idea is that if someone goes to your demo center and they want to see one specific demo, they can go down and they can find the right one and view it. But if you have someone who wants to explore your product, you can make it really easy for them and allow them to do it all without having to leave the Navattic experience. And that's what I like about this. It's bringing multiple demo flows into one demo. And so they have this nice welcome step here, but when you hit Start the Tour, they have this second step that we really like. This is something that we're starting to kind of add to any demo like this, but it's this nice kind of instructional context setting step that almost makes it feel more like they're in control and they can guide this tour in any way they want. So it says go at your own pace, click back or next whenever you want, jump to a different tour at any time from the switch demo menu in the bottom left corner. So I can just hit next and it'll take me to the first demo in their checklist, or I could just click here and then I could choose which one I want. And so you could have a visitor now that goes through each of these 6 demos, or they could just pick one use case that they care most about, right? But the nice thing about it is that they're not having to jump out of this demo experience, jump back into it. So the chances that they're gonna consume more is just more likely. And so multi-flow demos, check it out. It's very easy to build this type of demo in Navattic. If you have any questions, let us know. Let your Navattic CSM know. But this is definitely something that I think everyone should start doing in their demo centers.